Hello everybody and welcome once again to the Greekosophy channel, the channel that tells you everything you need to know about Greece. And today we have another review of a Greek product. This time we came across these Greek sausages and we decided to buy and try them. Now in case you haven't tried Greek sausages before, you are definitely missing out. They are very different to the sausages you find in the UK. Very tasty, very flavorsome. They have a really large content of proper meat in them, and not as much fat as you find in the ones in the UK. And normally there's a variety of flavors, spices and herbs in them. Now these particular sausages are produced from a company called Panteris Brothers. It is based in Athens, and they are called Greek traditional karditsas smoked pork sausages with leek. Karditsa is a town in the Thessaly region of Greece, mainland Greece, and if I can remember correctly, they produce some really nice sausages that they blend them and smoke them with spices and herbs. This particular package comes in 380 gram size. I'm trying to read to the small letters here of the contents. I can see here that it has pork meat, obviously, salt, leek, onion, spices and flavorings, oregano extract, some coloring, and some other here, obviously, things like preservatives for the mass-produced sausages. I've had my fair share of Greek sausages, but I've never tried this particular brand. Today we have baked some potatoes and we're making a fresh salad, so we're gonna try them. You can either, if you have charcoal fire, you can grill them over it, which is great. If you don't have charcoal fire, you can either grill them in your oven or even fry them. And once you open them, you have to refrigerate them, obviously, and they can last for about 5 to 6 days. So let's have a go and see what they taste like. So what I've done here, I've just took half of the sausage in the package and I cut it in half as well. And I've sort of sliced along the sides with a knife, just so that it cooks properly on this side. And I'm just gonna put them in a little metal pan and put them in the oven at about 180 to 200 degrees until they get a nice cooking inside. So let's see how long they will take, and I will try them once they're ready. So after about 20 minutes, we've taken the sausages from the oven, nice and sizzling. So I'm gonna grab a little bit and try it and tell you what I think of it. So as you can see here, plenty of meat and spices and herbs, and you can see here, ooh, it's hot. Okay, let's try. It's a bit hot. It's nice grilled flame, and you can smell like spicy, strong. You can taste hardly any fat at all. Just meat. You can taste the oregano and the onion. The leek, not so much. Maybe has very few leek. But let me give it another try. This is really nice. This is a lean sausage. It's not fatty at all. I like it. I would give it 7.5. I know that I might give it 8 or 9 or 10, but I have tried others that are even more. No, I'll give it an 8. I'll give it an 8 because you can eat the whole lot in one go. It's so lean, and over a charcoal flame it would be even better. And it's whetting my appetite. This is a really nice product. Links to all this, to this product and the producer in the description below. And if you really want to know about one of the best sausages in the world, not just Greece, just click in the link that appears right now on the top right corner of your screen and you will see what I mean.